Our Safely Back to School coverage continues now, and one group thinks it's found another alternative to students in the classroom or students in front of a computer at the kitchen table. Instead, Amanda Brandeis spoke to one group of advocates who say the way to get students safely back to school is to think outside of the classroom walls.
Hey guys!
While precautions have changed,
You're good.
the philosophy here remains the same.
Our focus on the outdoors is even more critical now than it has been.
I'm 5.5.
The Child Educational Center has spent decades developing a program centered around the outdoors.
It's everything. Children are happier, they're healthier. There are statistics that say the more time they spend outside, the fewer days they're out sick.
Ellen Veslock says the program is research-based. She says learning outside is not only beneficial for kids physically, but also cognitively.
It's not just young children that do better outside. There's a whole host of research about the benefits of nature for us as adults.
The center still had to make adjustments during the pandemic, like requiring face coverings and coming up with creative solutions like individual supply bins for children.
No one knew how to manage March through June.
Some schools are now turning to the Child Care Center for advice on how to embrace outdoor learning.
One of the things they talked about was what they could help their teachers do outside. If you're reading a chapter book to second graders, why not go outside to do that?
Here's just the prime opportunity to pivot. I mean, it's a really great word because I think school districts could do some amazing things if they just reach a little bit and pivot in their thinking.
The outdoor education advocacy group Green Schoolyards America has long worked with school districts to transform asphalt-covered school grounds into park-like green spaces. They've launched a COVID-19 initiative to help schools develop cost-effective strategies to reopen outside, including online webinars, safety guidelines, and a 2-page summary for districts new to the idea.
Thinking outside the box and knowing that there's a different way to look at this.
Advocates believe the move could help heal trauma from months of isolation and learning from a screen. It would also help schools navigate social distancing requirements while reducing the chance of virus spread.
What lessons are we learning now from this pandemic that we can apply down the road?
In La Cañada, California, I'm Amanda Brandeis reporting.